Okay, so I'm moving out of my apartment, and while I was here, I frosted the windows so that no one could see inside while I was taking a shower because I couldn't reach up here to put curtains up. Anyway, um, I've been scraping these windows with this and regular Windex, and it took me literally between yesterday and today. It took me so long. So anyways, I looked online, and I couldn't find anything that would help me. So I decided to go get this, a window scraper, and this, some cheap Windex, and um, and see how it works. So let me just show you guys how I did it and how quickly it happens. I can't really reach up there, but I'm going to try. Okay, so you wet it down really good, and then there you go. Look at that. Look at that. Quickly. And this costs $4 at Lowe's. It's a window scraper. Has a slight blade on it. Has a slight blade. See? And you just get it all off like so. Can't really get up there. So like that, you would put more spray. Sorry you guys, I'm trying to record in here we go. Make sure you get it on the right side. And that's it. Now let's wipe it. I just got to get that little spot right there. You can always go back as many times as you need to. And that is it.